Phonebooks feature has been newly added into P-Series PBX. It allows you to group the company contacts on PBX and further customize the visibility and operability of your phonebooks according to your internal departmental function and job duty. To configure the phonebooks, you can firstly go to Contact Setting page and click on Phonebooks. Click Add to create a new phonebook. Let's create a phonebook for Sales Department. Name it right here. Then you can move on to add existing company contacts into our phonebook. Click on Add and check the contacts that need to be included. We can also find specific contact with the searching tool on the top. Once we finish with all contacts, you can click on Confirm. And then save it. We also have a phonebook embedded for default in the system, which is specially for contacts synchronized from third-party CRM. This phonebook is not editable here. Of course, if you need to add a new contact not originally on the system, you can first register this contact by going to the company contacts page and adding them into the database. Now you need to set the authorization to see and edit on the phonebook. This phonebook is for Sales Team, so you should go to Extension Group and find Sales Team. In Group Permissions, find View Phonebooks. You can check the box here to activate. And in the scrolling down list, find the phonebook we just created. This way, you have successfully allowed the group manager to view the phonebook. You can do the same if you also want to grant the privilege to manage the phonebook. Of course, we can add other phonebooks as well. And for users, the procedure remains the same. As a result, authorized extension can log into the Link's web client or mobile client, and the assigned phonebook will be available for the user there. Alright, that was how we create a phonebook and grant the privilege to view and manage the phonebook. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more about Yeastar P-Series PBX System, please visit yeastar.com, and of course, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already.